Hi guys, I hope you good since last video. Let's go together into NotebookLM. I have something to show you. So stay to the end, it will be very interesting. So you open NotebookLM, use your Google account. You create a notebook, a new one. And after here, we're gonna put some data. I'm gonna go in my backlog of YouTube. I'm just gonna pick one of the videos that I've done, maybe the one talking about what we're gonna do in 2026. Let's get the link. Just check if it is the right video. That's the right one. Here we choose the link, YouTube. We put the link in the field and we insert. You wait a few seconds. After that you get a summary. And we're going to generate an infographic from it. In this video transcript, a technical creator reflects on his evolution from DevOps engineer to AI agent architect, emphasizing a shift toward system design maturity and local data control. He details his transition from simply using AI frameworks to re-engineering them using Rust and Python and so on. You can pause the video and read that, but we will be able to see it in another way. Let's see the infographic that has been made from that. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? And that's just the beginning. I have something else to show you after. So here AI engineer roadmap from deep tech to shipped product, beyond chatbot and mastering AI agent. Last year, mastery of the stack, using AI as a strategic partner. This year, shipping valuable products. The mission, shift from interesting to useful. The product, reusable nodes on AI starter packs. And guiding principles from 2024. So here there is a mistake, because it's from 2026. Okay, I'm gonna write bad content. Just give a feedback. 2024, 2026 instead of 2024. Very, 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 very bad. Very big mistake. Okay, you submit your nice feedback. I like this infographic. So I'm going to create another one, pressing here. And I'm going to also just download it. Let's before create a slide deck. And while it's generating, what we can do, we can maybe fix the little mistake of the image. Infographic, I'm downloading it. I'm taking it to Photopea. And after here, I'm just going to fast forward this. I'm just going to create the number 6 from the 0. So let's copy the 0, paste it here, double it up, put it on the top, get rid of the white borders, change the opacity down, cut it, and just get rid of the irregularities. When we will be zooming out, we won't see all the little details. Oh, that's an amazing 6. And now I can export it and use it. Okay, just let me, I'm gonna see, there is here the watermark. Just let's get rid of this watermark. Thank you NotebookLM, thank you Google, but I don't want the watermark. Okay, let's see the other infographic that we've made, because you can generate as many as you want. Oh, this one is pretty nice. I actually prefer this one. Last year, mastering the stack, Kubernetes, REST, and real-world systems. That's what I did last year, beyond chatbot, building AI agent. AI has a syncing mirror, and after you have this road to shipping value this year, from interesting to useful, prioritizing expertise into nodes, the new rules, no trends, no bloats. Okay, so the text is pretty good. Maybe it is from the transcript of the YouTube video. After, for the character, I don't look like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna do the same. I just take it here to Photopea to get rid of the watermark, and I'll be able to use it. Isn't that amazing what we can do? Now we can just write text, we can just bring some data, and we get an AI doing the job for us. After, it's good to have something like Photoshop, Photopea, to be able to customize it a little bit, enhance the colors. Like here, just gonna add some vibrance and some saturation to it. Now let's go and see the slide deck. Okay, German here, or I don't know, Scandinavian, but it's not, maybe it's the template they're using, so there's a little mistake here, but it's fine. I moved from using frameworks to building them. The Forge, 4 pillars of the craft, agent, REST, product grade, this is very good. Agent orchestration, the framework, the pattern, the data integrity, and the automation. And we have a nice little diagram here, simple chatbot tooling, structured output, specialized agent, really well thought. And here we have REST for the pillar 2, really nice. Performance tooling, integration, exploration from Python, Django to REST core, using both together to improve the performance of your Python code. Deepening the Kubernetes craft. So we've been going a little bit deeper into the concepts of Kubernetes. Okay, core infrastructure, resource management. There's a little bit more, but here I just went through different points, and here we have a nice control plane in 3D, really nice, and the worker nodes. That's my KubeDM cluster. Achieving system design maturity. Okay, architecture operation, data sovereignty. Yes, my compass. AI has a Socratic partner. Very nice. Strategic uses. Syncing mirror. Debugging accelerator. This is how I used AI last year. The role, never copy and paste. The discipline paths. What I'm leaving behind. What I don't do. Shares, random framework. Learn for learning's sake. Collect certifications. I'm very satisfied with those slides. Just the first one wasn't perfect because we got this German or Scandinavian writing on it, but this can be fixed. And here we have the 3 main priorities of this year. I want to ship to production some nodes, reusable AI agent starter pack. The problem, professionals don't have time to build every foundational AI components from scratch, so they need reliable, well-engineered starting points. The solution, the vision, and the persona is myself. So we got pre-built nodes that we are going to ship this year. What's inside the node? The engineering package, repo templates, architecture patterns and diagrams, LLM prompts, configuration checklists, and failure modes. What not to do, hard-won lessons on potential pitfall and how to avoid them. The real value, judgment, taste, and failure modes. What you're really getting, my judgment, my taste, the failure modes. So what makes the difference? It's me, what I'm giving and my experience, and what you've seen in the channel. So that's for you guys. My commitment to the craft, and here you get a nice commitment, clean architectures, local first execution, automation that teams can actually run, no unnecessary complexity, no cloud lock-in, Creditizens. We give it a good content, so little gratification. Here also, this was good, so this is easy to do, I'll do it. That's what I wanted to show you today. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.